So guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be speaking about OET Part C and its advice. Honestly guys, this is one of the hardest part of the exam in my opinion, in the whole exam. And of course reading section is the hardest part. So you're going to have a total of 16 questions in this part, 8 in 8 divided up among 2 extracts. And there's going to be 4 options. So now what you want to do per question, you want to spend 2 minutes. A maximum of 2 minutes per question. So no matter how much you want to spend maximum 2 minutes and move on. Because there's no point of spending too much time on one question. The next thing here is you want to read the top question, the underlying question, and now what can this question be? Now there's many different ways. Usually the writer is citing the study or the experiment to suggest or to infer, or then there's one type of question in which they highlight a word, they make a word in bold. That can be it, that can be this, that can be architecture, it can be any word, and they can be like, what is this what is this referring to, why is this highlighted? That's the main thing they're asking over here. And for this guys, don't read the whole paragraph, go one sentence behind, go one sentence in front, and you'll be able to catch the meaning over here. That's the main thing. And then over here guys, you can also see that they sometimes be like, the writer mentions this guy's view, Joshua view, or the writer mentions this guy's view, whatever view, to highlight or to get, like that. So that's going to be over here. He's going to be mention other people's view, and you're going to be asked the reasoning behind it. So that's the main thing over here. And then you also want to read a British Medical Journal. I don't read British Medical Journal. I personally use this website called Conversation/UK Health. It's a good website. It has everything mentioned over here. So for example, bacteria in your mouth, important role, a link from oral microbiome. So yeah, this is going to be like a nice article in which they're speaking about this. This is honestly a little bit simpler. It's a little bit simpler than the real exam, but it is somewhat, because BMJ is a little bit more like scientific, but this is like a little bit article type, which is the article type. It's a little bit simpler, but you can read this. It builds your reading speed and your also understanding. So that's something I really advise you to do. Really do more reading. It builds your reading habit. It helps your brain to read, understand, so that when you're in the real exam, you're able to click and get the answers right. So guys, hopefully you found this useful. I'll just summarize what's the key points. First of all, spend 2 minutes per question maximum. Understand the underlying question. If it's a highlight question in which they made a word bold, then just go to that specific word, one sentence before, one sentence after. There's no point reading the whole paragraph. Very rarely does that help. And then you want to understand what the writer is saying, what the writer's point of view is, why he's using these experiments, why is he using these studies, why is he quoting this professor, why is he quoting this and that. You want to understand the professor, the writer, so that you're able to answer it. And guys, it's very time consuming, so don't spend your time reading the whole paragraph. Go to the key parts and extract information there, answer questions from there. So guys, hopefully you guys found this useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.